This recipe for Brazilian coconut chicken is one of my followers and family's favorite recipes. So if you're looking for a tasty high protein recipe, you've just found your new favorite dinner. The meal takes just 35 minutes in the oven and I think you're going to love it. First thing you're going to do is chop up an onion and a green chili. Honestly, this recipe is not spicy, don't worry about it. This chili just adds a tiny bit of warmth. And then you're going to heat a pan that you can stick in the oven on a high heat and then just get some colour on that chicken. Make sure to season it with black pepper. It doesn't need fully cooked through because this will happen once we add the sauce. So remove from the pan, set aside, add the veggies into it and give them a fry until they soften, and then add your garlic and fry it for about 30 seconds more. Then we're going to add one chicken stock cube mixed with 100 ml of water, so that's a really intense stock, along with the zest and juice of a lime, some ground turmeric, peanut butter, crunchy, smooth, doesn't really matter, just use whatever you have in your cupboard, and a can of coconut milk. Mix all that through and then you're going to add the chicken and make sure that it is coated in the sauce. Pop the lid on it and then we're going to cook it in the oven at about 180 degrees for about 35 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked through. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. I mean, would you look at that? I mean, that sauce is so delicious. All you need to do is plate it up, get plenty of sauce on it, garnish with some chilies or coriander, some chopped up nuts, and just get stuck in. So there we go. That is how you do Brazilian style coconut chicken. Now, I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do because we absolutely love this in my family. And I prefer doing it in the oven to the slow cooker version. It's quicker and I just think the sauce has got more flavour as well. I mean, I could eat this sauce like a soup. It is so creamy and delicious. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Drop me a comment below and let me know which version is your favourite, this one or the slow cooker. And if you've not tried the slow cooker one, there'll be a link somewhere that you can give it a go. Anyway, I'm looking forward to eat this. Hopefully you will be too, and I will speak to you later. See ya. Oh yeah, and if you want more recipes, link below in the bio, and you can download my recipes app. See ya. So good.